What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 04 Mystichrome Cobra. Today we're going to be replacing all of these crappy, worn out engine coolant caps with some new UPR products. Alright guys, so quick overview. I've had these coolant caps from American Muscle for years, and if you can see, they are all pitted and they are destroyed, and these are actually the second ones that I have purchased from them because the first ones got all pitted and nasty too. So all the chrome in that top finish is just worn away and flaked off and got in here, and they look absolutely terrible. So I had purchased some new UPR polished coolant caps that we're going to be replacing for the coolant tank and the supercharger tank, as well as some new standard caps because we're not going to be able to get these off, I'm sure of it, as well as a chrome UPR engine oil dipstick. So let's get them on. Okay, so with the American Muscle ones, there was a little hole on one of them that you had to use a little Allen key screw, as well as 3M tape that was up here. So you would tape it on and then you would screw it in. So that's why we're never gonna be able to get those off of the original caps. So that's why I went ahead, just bought some new ones, played it safe, and called it a day. As far as these ones go, I believe you can use some 3M tape as well if you'd like, but it does seem like that these are pretty press fitted. So once you push it on there, I don't think that the cap is going to come off, as you can see. So we're just going to take those old ones off, put these on, and then we're going to push these straight on so that they're nice and center, right where we want them to be. All right, so there you have it with these. As simple as 1, 2, 3. They look much better. They look like much better quality. As you can see, the two here next to each other. So I'm glad we finally got those swapped out. Now let's move on to the dipstick. So regarding the new dipstick handle now, here's the instructions. So you have this little pin that's holding the handle on to the actual cord here. So they give you this little hammering pin. It's kind of nail thing. You're gonna shove it right in there. We're gonna hammer out this pin, which is gonna separate these two. Then you're going to put the new handle on to this cord here, install the new pin, install the gasket, and we should be good to go. So let's get to it. So you'll see here now on the new handle, there's two holes for that pin. So the bottom hole is going to be for GTs and the top hole is going to be for Cobras. So you need to make sure that you line this up the proper way, the right orientation, so that that hole is going to line up for the Cobra hole. If it gives you a little bit of resistance, just spray a little WD-40 on it so you can line it up like so. And if you need to, then just use some pliers to get you that grip, so that you can shove that all the way so that the holes line up. And now we're gonna insert the new pin. All right guys, and there you have it. We are all done. We've got our new supercharger coolant tank cap on, our new coolant reservoir cap, and our dipstick is in. So now I just gotta give the whole engine bay a good cleaning, get ready for these car shows coming up. I think under the hood is looking pretty good, if I say so myself. So again, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, feel free to drop them below. Please like, subscribe, help support the channel, and I appreciate all the views. Thanks.